Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3-hour shawl with homespun yarn. And if you'd like to learn how to make these shawl pins, I'm also going to provide a link at the end of this video on how to make shawl pins. So let's get started. And here's a close-up of the texture, and it's very soft and it has a lovely drape. And I'm working with a 12mm crochet hook and my homespun yarn. And if you want to use a different size hook, here is how long in inches your foundation chain should be. So start with the foundation chain. In multiples of 2. In the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 1. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. And that's what that will look like. And all the way across the row, that's what you will work. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2, and turn. In the first chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Chain 1. There's the next single crochet, so go to the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. We're working the moss stitch. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, single crochet. You work that across the row. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in that last stitch. There's that single crochet in the last stitch. So at the end of the row, you will chain 2 and turn, and you're going to repeat the last row until your shawl is the length that you desire. So find the chain 1 space, single crochet in that space. Chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 1, find the next chain 1 space, single crochet. So that's the first couple of rows, and you're just going to continue to repeat that row over and over until your shawl is as long as you would like it to be, and then you'll fasten off and weave your yarn end into the finished work, and you'll have this lovely, soft and comfy 3-hour shawl. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching how easy it is to make this 3-hour homespun crocheted shawl. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.